In today's video, I'm going to teach you Quick Guide. Start a Shopify free trial. If you want to launch an online store but aren't ready to pay, this walkthrough will get you inside Shopify in under a minute, so you can start building without pulling out a credit card. First, open the Shopify homepage. Front and center, you'll see the Start Free Trial button. Click it. Shopify won't ask for any payment details here. Just enter a valid email address so your account can be created and you can receive important updates about your store. This is perfect if you're still exploring and want to test ideas before committing. Next, Shopify will present a few quick questions to tailor your setup. These help preload the right features, but if you're in a hurry, you can skip most of them. Do make sure you select Online Store as your sales channel. That choice ensures the tools for building a web storefront, like themes, pages, and navigation, are ready the moment you land in your account. Remember, you can always adjust these preferences later. Now, choose how you want to log in, using your email directly or a single sign-on option. Create your login credentials, and Shopify immediately starts building your store in the background. It takes roughly 10 seconds. Then, just like that, you'll arrive in your brand new dashboard. On first load, you may notice a brief setup checklist on the home screen. Treat it as a helpful roadmap rather than a requirement. You can explore in any order, skip items you don't need yet, and come back when you're ready. Your trial is officially live. Think of the dashboard as your command center. From here, you can add products to showcase what you sell, change your theme to control the look and feel of your site, and open your settings to fine-tune details like your store name, checkout options, and more. During the trial, you can experiment freely, test different themes, draft product descriptions, preview your storefront, and get comfortable with the workflow, all without spending a dime. Nothing goes live until you intentionally publish, so it's a safe place to experiment and learn. A quick tip as you explore: make small, focused changes and use the preview to see how each adjustment affects your storefront. That way, when you do decide to launch, you've already built a clean, confident setup. And that's it. You're in, and your online store journey has started. Stop waiting and start building. Follow for the next step, adding your first product. In the next video, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to fill out so your first item is ready to sell.